Ladies and gentlemen, I am Nguyễn Quốc Dương, a student of class 11A3 of Year 1 High School. In harmony with the vibrant emulation atmosphere of the youth of the country, class 11A3 sincerely sent to the students and teachers a speech about the Ho Chi Minh Communist Youth Union. Firstly, we will talk about the history of the Ho Chi Minh Communist Youth Union.
1931, the second meeting of the Party Central Committee, which took place from 20 March to 26 March, spent a significant part of the agenda to discuss the work concerned youth. Approved by the Politburo of the Central Committee and President Ho Chi Minh, at the request of the Central Committee of Vietnam Neighbor Youth Union, the Third National Congress held from 22 March to 25 March 1961 decided to take the 26th of March, the last day of the second Central Party meeting, devoted to discuss and decide on the crucial youth issues as the establishment day of the Youth Union. Since then, the 26th of March has become the glorious day of Vietnamese youth and the Ho Chi Minh Communist Youth. 26 March 1931 to present, the Youth Union has been renamed several times, fulfilling tasks in each revolutionary period. From 1931 to 1936, Vietnam Communist Youth Union, Indochina Communist Youth Union. From 1937 to 1939, Indochina Democratic Youth Union. From November 1939 to 1941, Indochina Anti-Imperialist Youth Union. From May 1941 to 1956, National Salvation Youth Union. From 25 October 1956 to 1970, Vietnam Neighbor Youth Union. From February 1930 to November 1976, Ho Chi Minh Neighbor Youth Union. From December 1976 to present, Ho Chi Minh Communist Youth Union. Generations of Vietnamese youth who bravely fought the country's independence, freedom, and socialism had made extraordinary victories.
During our 33 years of dedication and growth under the banner of the Communist Party and beloved Uncle Ho, the Youth Union and youth organization of our country,
they are tradition of passionate patriotism, passionate attachment, absolute loyalty to the party, to the people, to the social regime. The tradition of the revolutionary assault army, dare to take on heavy tasks, dare to go to difficult and arduous places, dare to think creatively, to complete assigned tasks. Tradition of sticking solidarity in the class of people of the same age, in union organizations and associations, solidarity with the people, lovingly helping one another during tribulation, especially at times when facing enemies or natural disasters. Traditional, fond of learning, inquisitive in order to raise the level of politics, culture, science and technology, management and military, to be passionate about creativity in particular activities, to contribute to the cause of nationality and party.
Promoting these precious traditions are generations of Union youth, Year 1 High School in particular, and the whole country in general have followed each other to contribute to the revolutionary cause of our country, more and more strongly developed, overcame all difficulties and challenges, achieved great victories. The girls' achievement in the 21st century makes our social fatherland a worthy position in the international community, merging with the 5 continents in the integration period. In the past year, Year 1 High School and specific Year 1 High School
extracurricular activities in December with the theme Youth with the cause of building and defending the country. The contents of the extracurricular session all revolved around the image of revolutionary soldiers, the image of old Ho's soldier to educate about patriotism, national pride, the ethics of drinking water, remember the source, Mr. Farmer, sense of responsibility to build and protect the homeland for the school's youth union members. Successfully organized the seminar, study and follow the ideology, morality, Ho Chi Minh style associated with lifelong moral cultivation. The conference has oriented the MSU in the school to clearly define the moral content that needs to be cultivated and trained in the current situation, in which the main content to cultivate and practice is the inner mind, bright intelligence, great ambition. Propagating, disseminating knowledge about traffic safety law, the school delegation coordinated with Hiebo District Police to organize traffic safety legal education, topics for congregations throughout the school, organized for 100% of MAUs to sign a commitment to not violate the traffic safety law.
In addition, the school delegation also organized other activities such as the Pink Cage Melody Contest, a Healthy and Fit Association, reproductive health, or a beer contest to introduce the school, emulation for good school hours, and recycling, plastic waste, donating paper for recycling, donating textbooks, clothes for poor children in a storm and flood area. These activities are very successfully organized and bring propaganda and higher education to all youth union members in the school. Besides, all the unions in the school actively participated in responding to the movement launched by the school delegation. Group activities take place every month with different themes to instill moral and ideological education for youth union members, such as learning about the police and military industry, traditional New Year,